Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 1.5 Joan of Arc, written by George Bernard Shaw. Yesterday we have seen how Dauphin he was not fit to be the king of France because he was very coward. Dauphin was very coward. He was frightened to fight, and that's why Robert said that he is sitting like rat in a corner. He was not able to motivate his soldier and stop to English from taking Orleans. And that's why Robert says that Dauphin he was sitting like a rat in a corner. But Polingue, Jack and Dick they had offered to accompany Joan. They had offered accompany to Joan because she was a bit of miracle. She was a bit of miracle. Her words had inspired them. Whatever she is talking, whatever the Joan is talking, these words really inspire or really motivate to Polingue, Jack and Dick. Okay, they also felt that it was their last chance of saving Orleans. Hence they offer to accompany John. Okay. Now today, what see? Yesterday we have seen how Dauphin was sitting like a rat in a corner, and how Polingue convinced to Robert about Joan, and how they are they offer a company to Joan. Okay, because they felt that it was their last chance of saving Orleans. Okay, now today see everyone page number 32. Okay, what the Polingue said say, obstinately we want a few mad people now. See where the same ones have landed us. When Robert says to Polingue, you are as mad as she. You are as mad as Joan. Robert said, you are as mad as Joan, because Joan was planning to go to the Dauphin. Who was frightened and sitting rat like in a corner. But she want to motivate to Dauphin. And that's why Robert said that she is a mad girl, and you also Polingue, you also as mad as she. Okay. And that time Polingue gave the answer, we want a few mad people now. We want I am mad. Okay, I am mad, and we are mad, and we want a few mad people now. See where the same ones have landed. See all these mad people, how they are landed us. How they are going together. Okay. Robert, I feel like a fool. Still, if you feel sure. When Robert heard that, when Polingue said that we are mad people, that time Robert he feel like a fool. He feel like very silly people. Still, if you feel sure, and he said to Polingue, still you also feel like a fool. But what the Polingue said, see, I feel sure enough to take her chin on unless you stop me. Polingue said, I feel sure enough to take her. Polingue said that I am not feeling like a fool, but I am feeling like enough sure. If not you stop me. Okay, you don't stop me, then Polingue said to Robert, you don't stop me, I feel sure enough to take her to Chinon. I am sure about her. I am assured about Joan, and that's why if you not stop me, I will go now with her. Okay, then what the answer of Robert? See, do you think I ought to have another talk with her, Robert? means Captain Robert says to Polinge, do you think I ought to? Means it is my duty to have another talk with her. Ought to here, ought to. It is the, what is it? Means that tells us the obligation. It is a auxiliary, means model auxiliary, ought to. That tells us the obligation or duty. Means Robert says that it is my duty to another talk with her. Again I want to talk with her. Then what said? Polinge going to the window. Polinge going to the window and he called to John. Yes, John, come up. And he called to John, come up. John enters and John means he enter again in the court. Polinge gravely, be seated, John, and is very coldly. Bravely means unpleasantly said to John, be seated. Means he said to John, be seated. Means he said very unpleasantly to John, be seated. Robert asked to John, what is your name? John, they always call me Jenny in Lorraine. They always call me means Lorraine is a region in eastern France. Lorraine is a region in eastern France and she is a countryside girl. She is a villager girl. Okay. And these villagers, she said that to John, means Robert, means these countryside people, they always call her Jenny. Okay. Here in France, I am John. And here means here I am, here my name is John. The soldier call me the maid. And the means here in front of you I am John. In my village I am Jenny. And soldiers call me the maid. Means soldiers call me the maid. Means maid means a female servant. Female servant means soldiers call me the means sir as a servant. Then Robert asked to John, next question, how old are you? John gave the answer, 17. She gave the answer. So they tell me, means some people says to me, you are 17 years old. That's why I am 17 years old. It might be 19. Maybe I am might be I am 19 years old. I don't remember. Means I forget. Whatever my age. Okay. Robert, I suppose you think raising a sage is as easy as chasing a cow out of a meadow? You think soldiering is anybody's job? Miss Robert said to is it easy to chasing a cow out of the meadow? Means जैसे कि गाय के पीछे रहने इतना इजी है क्या? रेजिंग अ सेज मीन्स surround from all sides and attack, removing the force surrounding a place. Means is it easy to surround the English people to chasing a cow as a meadow? मतलब काऊ के पीछे रहना ईजी है, वैसे इंग्लिश सोल्जर्स के पीछे भागना इतना ईजी है क्या? यू थिंक सोल्जरिंग इज एनीबडी जॉब and you think that soldiering is anybody's job? Means Robert says that she is a very common girl. She is very common girl, and that's why he said that means soldiering is anybody's job. John, what the John answer say? I don't think it can be very difficult if God is on your side. But John, she is a very confident girl. She was very confident girl. She says that I don't think it can be very difficult. It is not very difficult. Means soldiering, job of the soldier, it is not a very difficult job if God is on your side. If God is in your side, God is in your side means she is a person of means see this sentence. See I don't think it can be very difficult. It God is on your side. Means this sentence tells us about the immense of faith. Immense of faith means John is a person of immense of faith. She is a person of immense faith. This is a very confident girl. She is very confident girl. She believe herself. She believe herself, and that's why she said that it is not very difficult to become a soldier if God is on your side. Okay. Then next, see Robert grimly. Grimly means very coldly or seriously. He said, "Have you ever seen English soldiers fighting? Have you ever seen them plundering, burning, turning the countryside into a desert? Have you heard to no tales of their prince, who is devil himself, or of the English king's father?" Means he said very seriously, "Have you ever seen English people, how these English soldiers are fighting? Have you ever seen them plundering?" Plundering means looting. Plundering means looting, or we can say that to raid on property. How they are raid on property. Okay, means how these soldiers are very cruel. How they are burning. How they are burning to the enemy. How they are turning the countryside into desert. How they are turning the village into desert. Countryside means here village. Have you heard no tales of their prince, who is the devil himself? Have you means no heard that tales means story of their prince, who is the devil himself. Means their English soldiers means English prince who was the devil. Who was the devil himself, who was very means bad person himself, or of the English king's father, or of English king's father. Means like this way, how these soldiers or how English people, how they are very cruel. Means Robert convinced John how they are very cruel. Okay, means Robert tried to convince to John how English people are very cruel. Okay, tomorrow we will continue the next part of the lesson. Okay, thank you.